Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In this question, a circle with center O is tangent to a horizontal line at its lowest point. A chord of length 16 units extends from this point of tangency to another point on the circle. A vertical line segment of length 4 units drops from this point on the circle to meet the horizontal tangent line at a right angle. Our goal is to calculate the exact radius of the circle. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comment section. To solve this problem, first, let A be the point of tangency at the bottom of the circle. B be the point on the circle where the chord ends, making AB equals 16. C be the point on the horizontal line directly below B, making BC equals 4, and angle BCA equals 90 degrees. And let D be the highest point on the circle, meaning the segment, AD, is the diameter of the circle. Now, if we take the radius of the circle to be x, AD will be equal to 2 times the radius x. Next, let's connect point B to point D with a straight line. And this forms triangle ABD. Now, let's recall the circle theorem of angle in a semicircle. It states that the angles in a semicircle are 90 degrees. From this theorem, angle ABD is equal to 90 degrees, because it is inscribed in a semicircle. Next, let's focus on triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, let angle BAC be theta. Again, let's recall the circle theorem of angle in the alternate segment. According to the alternate segment theorem, the angle between a tangent and a chord, through the point of contact, is equal to the angle subtended by the chord, in the alternate segment. In this figure, observe that angle BAC is the angle that lies between a tangent and a chord. And angle ADB is the angle subtended by the same chord, in the alternate segment. From this theorem, angle ADB is equal to angle BAC. Since angle BAC is theta, angle ADB must be exactly theta. Now, comparing triangle ABC and triangle ABD, observe that the two angles of these triangles are equal. Therefore, we conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD. And the proportionality of their corresponding sides is AB over AD is equal to BC over AB. AB is equal to 16. AD is equal to 2x. And BC is equal to 4. Substituting these values in the above expression will give us 16 divided by 2x is equal to 4 divided by 16. By cross multiplication, 2x times 4 is equal to 16 times 16. 2x times 4 is equal to 8x. And 16 times 16 is equal to 256. To find x, we divide through by 8. 8 will cancel out 8. And 256 divided by 8 is 32. So, we are left with x is equal to 32. Hence, the radius of the circle is 32 units. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.